Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send mass emails in Salesforce. This is a powerful feature that lets you reach multiple contacts or leads at once, saving you time when you need to communicate important updates or announcements to your audience. First, log in to your Salesforce Lightning experience. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see the App Launcher. This is the 9-dot grid icon that opens up access to all your Salesforce apps and tools. Click on it to get started. In the search bar that appears, type in either contacts or leads, depending on which group you want to email. Select the appropriate option from the results. This will take you to the list view where you can see all your records. Next, you'll need to create a list of recipients. Click on the filters gear icon located next to the search box. This opens up your filtering options. From here, select New to create a new list view. Give your list a descriptive name, something like Mass Email List, so you can easily identify it later. Set the applicable sharing permissions based on who in your organization should have access to this list, then click Save. Now it's time to select your recipients. You can use the checkbox at the top of the list to select all visible records at once, or if you prefer more control, click individual checkboxes next to specific contacts or leads you want to include. This flexibility ensures you're only reaching the people who need to receive your message. Once your recipients are selected, click the Send Email button located on the top right of the screen. This opens up the email composer where you'll build your message. In the Recipients section, take a moment to confirm that the correct number of contacts or leads appears. This is an important verification step to ensure you're sending to the right audience. Now enter your subject line, something clear like important notice that tells recipients what to expect. Move down to the email body and enter your message details. Salesforce lets you add images and links if needed, which can make your email more engaging and informative. Take advantage of these features to create a professional-looking communication. Before sending, click on the Review tab. This lets you preview exactly how your email will look and allows you to check the recipient names one final time. It's always worth this extra moment to catch any potential issues. When everything looks good, click Send. Your mass email will now be delivered to all selected recipients, and you've just communicated with your entire list in a matter of minutes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.